Okay, with Valentine around the corner, let's get started with some Valentine-inspired witchy gift sets. I have nothing prepared yet. Yeah, I have some small Valentine-related stuff, but not gift sets. So let's get started. I did make these soap bars, so I want to include these. And I have this cute tissue paper, perfect. So let's put that to the side a little bit. And I also found this aura coated clear quartz. So let's put that to the side. This is a small set, very small, budget friendly price. So let's make a bigger one. Okay, so let's get started with this beautiful dish. The star is an incense holder and I have some black love. So we're going to add 3 sticks. Of course. Here you go. Perfect. And this is a candle holder. So we're going to get a candle and I added some aura chips. Okay, so I don't like the candle. I will show you. Don't like it, doesn't fit the vibe I'm going for. But what does fit is this rose quartz body oil roller. And one moment. We're also going to add a mystery crystal bath bomb cauldron. And let's add a handmade crochet scrunchie and we have a little spa kit. Perfect for every little bedtime. Let's pack it up. Go. One moment. Go. So I'm not going to risk that with shipping. Perfect. A little cauldron, the little scrunchie, body oil, and let's wrap these up together. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to be together. Good enough. Like that, and that is our self-love spa kit. Let's do another small one. I'm gonna add one more soap bar. And I found this cute little pin that is matching the ghosty vibes. Not Valentine related, but too cute. It doesn't have to be Valentine. It just needs to be cute, sparkly, a little bit of pink. But I love pink, so that's okay. And let's add something more. Let's add this one. That is so cute. Little ghost friends, little ghost vibe over here. Perfect. Let's get started with the ghost tissue paper again. There we go. And a little soap bar. And a little pin. Well, no, first a bracelet. That's better. Maybe I'm going to put it in Rokanza Becky. Here we go. Put that to the side. And this one on top. There we go. Perfect. I'm first going to make some pictures and then I'm going to make another video of all three others. I don't know which ones. So if you like these types of videos, please let me know. Because I like to see that and I know what others will like and what they don't like. But for now I'm going to make some pictures of these 3 sets. And I will make some more sets. Valentine related, love related, self-love, ghost, whatever. I will make more sets. So you will see that video in the second one.